6 sisters from Antioch are suing the city, the county, and their church. They are accusing public and church officials of failing to respond to years of sexual abuse by their own parents. ABC 7 News reporter Carolyn Tyler is live in Antioch tonight with the story. Carolyn.
Well, no comment today from this church, and Contra Costa County officials are not talking either about the lawsuit that accuses them of failing to protect an entire family of little girls. This is the Dutro family when they were young. 4 biological siblings, 2 cousins raised as sisters.
Their story is unimaginable, but the scariest part of it, it's true.
The sisters are now adults, looking back on what they say were 20 years from the time they were toddlers of sexual abuse by their parents. The oldest daughter, Amber, who's now 32, told us by phone that those they turned to for help ignored them.
6 little girls were completely left, and I can't stand by and let it happen again.
She and her sisters are now suing the city of Antioch and 3 police officers, Contra Costa County Child Protective Services, and their church, Calvary Open Bible Church, and 2 pastors.
They didn't do their job, what they're mandated to do and trained and supervised to do. I mean, they're supposed to protect them.
Runckel says in 1995, one of the girls told her pastor about the abuse. The lawsuit claims he then tipped off her father before alerting Child Protective Services days later.
It made it very hard to trust anybody, especially coming from the church.
According to the suit, once Child Protective Services and the police got involved, neither talked to the girls alone, away from their parents. Her father received probation.
The police officers that are, you grow up and you think that they're these wonderful people that are supposed to be like superheroes, and they weren't.
Bruce Zion Dutro and his wife Glenda were arrested in 2009 and sentenced to prison last year after the girls gathered their courage and went back to police. They were motivated after Amber learned that with the help of Calvary Open Bible Church, her parents were trying to adopt a family from Mexico. The sisters say they filed the lawsuit because they want reform so no one else suffers like they did.
This isn't about money. It's about changing things.
The city attorney for Antioch issued this statement this afternoon saying, quote, like everyone, we wish this outcome had occurred sooner. When Zion Dutro confessed to an earlier single incident, the mother's involvement in aiding and abetting the ongoing abuse against all of the girls was not known. Zion Dutro is now serving 300 years in state prison. His wife, the girl's mother, 15 years. In Antioch, Carolyn Tyler, ABC 7 News.
Thank you.